In this video, we will show you how to replace the drive motor on your t22.9 REFLEX Treadmill. Before you begin assembly, please be sure to read the assembly manual thoroughly, as it will contain important safety warnings and assembly tips. If there are any questions regarding the replacement process of this part, please contact Freemotion Customer Care at the information below. To begin this replacement, first, remove the two hex bolts holding the motor hood cover on, then tilt the cover up and out to remove it. Directing our attention to the motor compartment, locate the motor on the left side. Before loosening any hardware, it is important to mark the position of the belt tensioner for quick and easy retensioning once the motor replacement is complete. With the tensioner marked, use a 5/16 inch hex socket and a 9/16 inch wrench to loosen the belt tension. With the tension relieved, the belt can now easily be removed from its routing. Following the motor's harness through the upright frame channel, unplug it from the motor controller and pull it back through. To loosen the motor and prepare for it to be lifted out, use a 1/4 inch hex socket and extension to remove the 4 bolts affixing the motor to the frame. Then, use a 1/4 inch socket to remove the ground wire from the motor casing as well. With the motor now free, support it from the spindle, tip the pulley side down, and lift the motor up and out along with the motor mounting plate. To prepare for the new motor, first, place the motor mounting plate down into the motor compartment, aligning it with the holes in the frame. Supporting the new motor from the spindle and with the pulley side down, slide it down and into position atop the motor mounting plate. Reversing prior steps, insert and tighten the 4 1/4 inch hex bolts to reaffix the motor to the frame. Continuing on, feed the motor's harness back through the upright frame channel and plug it back into the motor controller. Then, reattach the ground wire to the motor casing. Lastly, reroute the belt through the pulleys and return the tensioner to the area marked in an earlier step. Powering the unit on, set the speed of the machine to no higher than 2 miles per hour. Walk heavily against the direction of the belt to test for slippage. If the belt is slipping, increase tension on the drive belt tensioner incrementally until the slippage has ceased under user weight. Once the physical aspects of the machine have been tested, the motor hood cover can then be reinstalled. This concludes the repair tutorial. For further assistance with assembly, operation, or other inquiries, please refer to the contact information slide at the beginning of this video.